think we did it, guys. Whoa, that is so cool. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video of Hoodstig. Yes, we've got the 350Z back. Following the recent video, the first drive, just want to say thank you to everybody dropping comments down below. Really appreciate all the support. We're actually going to be straight piping 350Z, so we're going to be getting the DECAT pipes in, which we got from Japspeed. But first, we're going to take the catalysts off. I believe there's 3 bolts in the back, and there's also 3 bolts at the front, which equals out to 12 bolts that needs to be taken off. It should be an easy job. Hopefully it's not rusty underneath. I haven't even looked underneath the car yet since we've had the car, but it shouldn't be too bad. But I'm really looking forward to straight piping this car, see how loud this car actually is. And everybody does it for the V6 sound, and it sounds crazy. So we're not going to waste any more time. We're going to get straight to it and get those cats off. 1, 2, 3. The best thing about this trolley jack, I'll just do it one-handed as well. I don't have to bend my back. Almost there. Look at the car, it's literally flying right now, both wheels. So let's get the tripod. Okay, right. Very clean underneath this car is. I'm well pleased with that. Car up in the air now. We've got the cat here. Got a bit of bad news because it's looking quite rusty. So we've got 1 bolt there, and we've got 1 bolt there, and then work our way up. And at the top we've got 3 bolts. O2 sensor has only 1 sensor there. Probably the same for the other cat as well. So so far, so basically I honestly thought the cats are all the bolts underneath, but some of the bolts are facing on top and I honestly can't get there. So at the bottom I've took the 2 bolts, which are these 2, and there's 1 more. But the thing is, I didn't have to work like so hard to get the other one out, because apparently you can get it from on top of the engine bay and it's literally right to the bottom. That's how long it is. It's a bit banana shaped right now, but that's the whole point of the process. Get right in there. So it's better if I had a light. It's in action. Bit of a spin now. So, whew, are we in the right way? Yeah. Do this and Bismillah. Let's use a torque wrench. Alright. The classic way of opening it, like this way. I use it by hand first, but normally I use a hammer to do things. But what? Wow, that is unsolid. I've got an idea. Get this big one. Now I've got more leverage now. Feels like it's gonna snap in half. I think we did it, guys. Okay, right, now we've done the hard bit. Let's take this one off. Now whack on the drill again, because now it's loosened a bit. And now let's finish it off. Bismillah. It should be at the end of it. So we've got the bolt out, and I just want to go through the second one. So this is from eBay. They're known as test pipes, but obviously in UK it's DECAT. Wow, I honestly thought they were going to be a lot bigger than that. Whoa, that is so cool. So this is from Japspeed. I actually did a cheeky offer. They're normally about £140, but I messaged them and I did an offer and they've gave it to me for £120. And then they come with gasket. They're the old bolts, if you guys want to see. I literally could have rounded them, but luckily we did it in the end. 2 gaskets for the back. There'll be 3, 3, 2, 2. So everything's there, I guess. That's the part. Whoa! Alright, let's get to work. And that's how we take the bolt off. We'll get the other one off and we'll just break the catalyst off. Alright, you know, the first time I gave up doing this and I managed to do it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, they're so gigantic. I was literally fighting it like a Tyrannosaurus Rex. And there they are. Literally got the twins, big babies, that's what they were. Now I can take my time in taking these out, but hey, got the cats out. So that took me a long time. I literally had to grind the hell out of it off. Just can't believe how sick that looks. MashaAllah, look at it, it's amazing inside. So basically you got these ones you can't change. There's one there and there's one over there as well, see? But the rest you can change. You know, we've done the job. 2 at the back, but we made one big mistake. I know I've done everything, but if you look here, holy man, what happened there? Exactly, I didn't put the gasket in properly. No. So with a bit of patience, I'm gonna have to take all the bolts off there and reposition that gasket, because clearly I've made a donut mistake and I didn't even see that. But I did it there, like, alright. And we're gonna see how the car sounds. So see you guys in a sec. Okay, before I start the car up, a big shout out to Halfords with this jump pack. This is all you need to jump start a car. My battery is dead. I don't need a jump leads. Get the no-code boost plus, and this is all it takes to boost the car. So watch this up. No jump leads, no big fat yellow jump pack, just a little, like a hand size battery pack. You hold the power button and that's it, it's working out. It's on 2-bar battery. I could use this exclamation mark, which means it's full power, but we're not going to use that now. So let's start the car. 1, 2, 3. Let's see the pop and bang again. Boy, pops and bangs. I think that was sick. Sounds crazy, innit? Sounds madness, mashallah. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. Let's get that again. It literally pops now. In my honesty, it actually sounds a bit better because in neutral it's pretty quiet, but now it's got a crazy sound to it now. It's like the full V6 power. So may the Almighty put peace and blessings upon each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.